gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to Cancun, where it's presently 5:50 p.m. and the outside temperature is 26 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on luggage stowed until the seatbelt sign is switched off. There are no designated smoking areas in the airport facilities, and smoking will be permitted only once you exit the terminal. Please ensure you take all your belongings with you, and take care when opening the overhead compartments. If you need assistance getting off the aircraft, we ask that you remain seated until all the passengers have left, at which time we will be pleased to assist you. We hope you have enjoyed your flight today, and thanks again for choosing Air Transat, and have a great holiday here in the Cancun area.